YouTube. This is my bike check. Some custom parts, but not very much. Start from the top, but anyway, this is a new channel. I got these bar ends. They're metal. I don't know what they are actually, but they're really good. My friend gave them to me. Animal Edwin grips are really worn out, but they're comfy. The other one over there really worn out. Shadow local bars, really good. I like them a lot. 8.5 ride. Shadow conspiracy sticker right there. Shadow cupola stem that I painted black. Really good. I like it. I just got it. Okay, this headset, it's a Shadow headset, Shadow Corvus headset, but I have a Colt top cap and a really big spacer in there. Going down to my frame, I have the United Recruit RN3 frame. It's really good. These forks, I have no idea what they are, but they're like really heavy, but they're good. Stock front hub and rim. Colt Vans tires, don't get them. I mean, they last a really long time, but they they rot like really quick. Odyssey Twisted PC, by far the best pedals. Stock United cranks, stock sprocket. I have no idea what this seat is. If anybody can leave in the comments below what the seat is. It's got this right here, right there. I have no idea. And then I have a stock seat clamp, and I don't know what kind of seat post it is. I think it's an animal seat post. I don't know. KMC chain. Like I said, another Colt Vans tire. Don't get them. They're okay. They don't wear out really fast. 2.35. Stolen peg. Really good. Shadow Raptor hub. Really good. But that's my bike check. Comment, rate, and subscribe.